Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. B is for bird. B is for banana. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cat. So let's go. Now I am drawing A for ant. A is for ant.